Hey there, Encappers. In today's episode of Encap TV, we're going to talk about the Encap Revolution. It's going on now, and you're invited. So let's talk about the Encap Revolution. Are you tired of dealing with carpet cleaning with traditional methods, coming up with less than excellent results? It's frustrating, I know, I've been there, so I totally get that. But to get past that frustration level, I want to introduce you to encapsulation. If you haven't tried it yet, you certainly need to give it a try. It will transform your carpet cleaning experience. It's really the future of carpet maintenance, particularly when it comes to commercial carpet cleaning, but it works out well in the residential setting as well. It's really an innovative technique that's not only highly profitable, but it's extremely efficient when it comes to carpet maintenance and carpet care. So let's kind of do a deep dive into it now and talk about some of the benefits that come from encapsulation carpet cleaning. With encapsulation, dirt and grime are trapped within an encapsulation polymer. The polymer holds the soil in suspension, which can then later be vacuumed out of the carpet post-vacuuming. What this means for you is that it's going to help you maintain the carpet. It's going to become much easier to maintain, and it's going to stay better looking on an ongoing basis. So those are some of the simplified key elements of basic encapsulation cleaning, particularly when you're working with a product like the Release It product line. Now, that unique encapsulation polymer package, it's really something that's bulked up in the Release It products that can effectively encapsulate soil particles. And then, as I mentioned, it holds it in suspension. It releases from the fiber as the fiber flexes under normal wear and normal routine vacuuming. So the carpet then will become cleaner with each successive vacuuming. Performing quality encapsulation cleaning using a product like Release It can really ensure that the carpets are going to stay clean longer between each cleaning interval, and you'll be able to say goodbye to frustrating situations like recurring spill stains that resurface after just a few weeks after the carpet's been cleaned. So it's certainly going to make your job easier to keep the carpet looking good on an ongoing basis using a good encapsulation system that will actually resist soiling like Release It products do. But wait, there's more. Encapsulation is also a super high production method of cleaning. It allows you to clean larger areas in a shorter amount of time. In fact, being that it is so fast and that you're going to get these high production numbers, normally 2,000 to 3,000 square feet per hour, it can be even higher in some cases, you're going to be able to turn jobs around very quickly at a very accelerated pace. So you can take on more clients or have some well-deserved downtime. Certainly the Encap process with a good encapsulation system makes that possible. Another significant advantage of an encapsulation system using a product like Release It is that you're going to be able to quickly put the carpets back into use very quickly after it's been cleaned, because you're using minimal moisture. You have quicker dry times, so you can get your customers back into the building and back on the carpet, whereas traditional methods like hot water extraction take longer to dry. So we can put the carpets back into service, and your customers are going to be able to enjoy their carpets sooner using encapsulation versus other methods. Another big benefit of encapsulation is how simple it is. So it's easy to train technicians. You don't have to spend a lot of time going through a lot of procedures to train technicians like you would with, let's say, for example, truck mount hot water extraction. It takes a lot more training. Encapsulation is relatively simple, so if they're any level of intelligence there at all in your technicians, they're going to pick it up real quickly and become efficient. And in the process, they're going to be able to still produce consistently excellent results even with minimal training. So it becomes a really simple turnkey solution that will enable you to get technicians out in the field without a lot of headache on your part as a business owner. You're not going to have to be putting out fires, answering questions, and dealing with problems. Instead, each carpet will turn out great with simple results. Consistency, that's what it's all about when it comes to encapsulation. So we've just touched on a few of the key points of encapsulation. So in conclusion, it's going to increase your profitability due to that higher volume of carpet that you're going to be able to clean at a very high rate. Also, Carpets are going to stay clean longer. It's going to become easier for you to manage those carpets. It's going to keep your customers happier because their carpets stay cleaner longer. They're not going to deal with recurring spills. They're not going to deal with traffic lanes that quickly dinge out after it's been cleaned. It's going to instead stay cleaner longer because the Release It products actually resist soil very nicely. Also, quicker turnaround times. You're able to get your customers back on the carpets very quickly. That's a big plus, especially when you're dealing with commercial carpets. And again, that simplified training system for your technicians. So these are some of the core benefits that you're going to enjoy when you work with an excellent product like the Release It product line. So if you haven't tried it yet, what are you waiting for? Now's the time to join the Encap Revolution. Upgrade your carpet maintenance game and start reaping the rewards today of using a good encapsulation system. A good Encap system will definitely help you in your business to become more successful, and ultimately you'll be able to max your Encap. That's what we're all about here at Excellent Supply, helping you do that. Please hit the like buttons below, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, share your comments about encapsulation. We appreciate it when you do that. And until next time, thanks for watching Encap TV.